Consensus mechanisms. Now, how do thousands of computers agree on which transactions are valid? This is where consensus mechanisms come in. Consensus is how a blockchain network decides what is true and what is false. The most common mechanisms are proof of work, PoW, used by Bitcoin. Computers called miners solve complex mathematical problems. The first to solve it adds the block to the chain and earns a reward. This is secure but consumes a lot of electricity. Proof of stake, PoS, used by Ethereum 2.0 and others. Validators lock up some of their crypto as a stake. They are randomly chosen to validate blocks. Less energy intensive and still secure. Other mechanisms exist, but the key idea is that the network collectively agrees on the correct version of the blockchain. Decentralization and security. A blockchain is decentralized, meaning there is no single authority controlling it. Copies of the blockchain exist on thousands of computers globally. This decentralization brings multiple benefits. Security. Hacking one computer does not compromise the network. Transparency. Anyone can verify transactions. Immutability. Once confirmed, transactions cannot be altered. Because of these properties, blockchain is often described as trustless. You don't have to trust any single person, company, or bank. Instead, you can trust the mathematics and the network. Smart contracts and advanced features. Blockchain isn't just for digital money. Platforms like Ethereum allow smart contracts, which are self-executing agreements coded into the blockchain. Example: imagine you want to buy a car. A smart contract can automatically transfer payment to the seller once the car's ownership is verified. No middleman is needed, and the transaction is secure, transparent, and irreversible. Other advanced features include decentralized finance, DeFi, loans, savings, and financial services without banks. NFTs, non-fungible tokens, digital ownership of art, music, or collectibles. Supply chain tracking, verifying the origin and authenticity of products. Real-world applications. Blockchain is not just hype. Real companies and governments are using it in multiple ways: finance, faster cross-border payments, reducing fees and delays. Healthcare, secure patient records and data sharing. Voting, transparent and tamper-proof voting systems. Logistics, tracking goods from manufacturer to consumer. Energy, peer-to-peer energy trading using smart contracts. These applications show that blockchain can transform industries beyond cryptocurrency. Challenges of blockchain. Despite its advantages, blockchain is not perfect. Scalability. Some blockchains can handle only a limited number of transactions per second. Energy consumption, especially proof of work blockchains like Bitcoin. Regulation. Governments are still figuring out rules for crypto and blockchain. Complexity. The technology can be difficult for beginners to fully understand. However, new solutions like Layer 2 networks, proof-of-stake systems, and enterprise blockchain platforms are helping solve these problems. Blockchain is more than just Bitcoin or Ethereum. It is a revolutionary technology that provides transparency, security, and decentralization. From financial systems to healthcare, supply chains, and voting, blockchain has the potential to change the way the world operates. Understanding how it works is the first step to leveraging its power, whether as an investor, developer, or curious learner. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon. We'll continue to explore blockchain, crypto security, utility coins, and advanced topics in simple terms, so you can stay informed and safe in the world of crypto.